Everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Paul Nguma, founder of PATTERNOLOGY LAB. Into this video, I'm going to be sharing my thoughts on AMC and GME and how you should approach them for today. And I'm also going to be answering some of you guys' questions for those of y'all who dropped your stocks of interest in the comment section of yesterday's pre-market analysis video right after the intro. All right, y'all, right off the bat. So far, the SPY is looking good. I'm still bullish on the SPY since the recovery up here. All right, buyers are constantly buying the dips. And as you can see, they bought the dip again overnight. This is looking pretty good. I think there will be a lot of increase in volume to the upside at the open. Keep this one on your watches for a long. I'm not bearish. I think we bounced off of this level. All right, so just keep that in mind. Short sellers, I gave y'all a warning yesterday to not be too greedy and to get out with whatever profit you made, because I don't think we're gonna tank. And so far, it's not tanking anymore. It's just going sideways, and eventually it's gonna continue back up again. All right, now let's talk about what's going on with AMC. And AMC, again, I covered this one a long time ago after it dropped. Somebody asked about it when we were way down here, right over here after that doji on the 10. And I told you, if you're a long-term investor, obviously this is a good buy for the long term, 3 to 4 years, because theaters are not going to stay closed forever. All right. For all of you who are able to accumulate over here, you should be in the green. You should be in a good spot. Where is this thing going to go? Honestly, I think this is just the beginning. Worst case scenario, it pulls back just a little bit towards $9, and if $9 holds, if that level holds all the way until Friday and all the way until the weekend, right? Let's say it drops over here, it bounces up again, it makes a higher low, then you can expect the stock to run all the way back up towards $13 just to fill up this gap over here, right? Just to fill up the gap. And then again, keep in mind that there are some people who bought stock and who bought calls over here in these regions. Put yourself in their perspective. Again, if you were up here and you were waiting for another chance, you were hoping for another chance to get rid of some of your money because you're scared that it might break down right after it gets to these levels, just be mindful of that. Again, ride the wave up, but just know that there may be some turbulence associated at these levels. And the same thing applies with GME. All right, let's go with GME. GME, massive amount of volume yesterday. All right, and so far it's about to open up at 156. 156 is right over here. All right, so do expect just a little bit of a pullback at the gates. All right, worst case scenario, it drops over here right around 147, and then it holds and then potentially goes back up to start filling up that gap. And again, people who were stuck up there, right, they may want to take their money off the table. So be very, very careful. Enjoy the money as it goes up, yes. All right, but just know, for short sellers also, there may be an opportunity for your short sellers to make money as it fades, where people over here break even. Just keep that in mind in regards to these two stocks. All right, now let's talk about the stocks for this video. Okay, I know we're talking about GME right now, but there are some money making opportunities for those of y'all who did not get into GME and you're looking for an opportunity this morning, right? I'm gonna share with y'all MMM. All right, and MMM is actually looking gorgeous. I want y'all to keep this one in your watches for today for a long. There is a bullish pennant that is about to break out I think it just broke out like any minute now. Again, I didn't know what to title this video, but yeah, that's the top stock for today. Apart from GME and the AMC, again, if you're looking for easy money, there you go. Watch this one for a run all the way up to 190-ish. Let me just draw this thing right over here, right over here. Watch this thing for a move up there, all right? I have calls on this thing. I'm not selling my calls on this thing. Am I buying more? Yes, I am buying more. I will be buying more for the move all the way up here. Just like I am not selling well, just like I told you that I wouldn't sell SU, right? SU was looking pretty good, and right now it's about to open near 2178. Watch this thing for a pullback at first because the market is being kind of weird right now. But then again, they will continue on its course all the way up to this bubble right here, right? That is my very honest opinion on the stock. I'm still holding my calls on SU, and I'm still holding my calls on airlines, especially UAL, right? And UAL is performing phenomenal for us, for all of y'all who have been subscribing to the channel. Do not forget to take some money off the table. I talked about this stock when we were over here at around $44, right over here, $45. And it went up $10 since I released that video. So do not forget to pay yourself just a little bit. Could it go higher? It definitely can, but just know that you can always get back in, all right? This is a good chunk of money. Pay yourself. Remember, pay yourself. Now let's talk about another stock that we've talked about previously. That stock is AHT. All right. And for all of y'all who are who participated in this with me, I told y'all that AHT could go all the way up between $5 and like $7 very soon. Good news is that it survived earnings. All right, it did not tank through earnings. It's right at $4.14, which is great. It didn't tank right after $3. No, it held that level. This is really good news. Okay, so keep this one on your watch list. Let's go over here to the weekly. Yeah, it's looking phenomenal. It is looking phenomenal. Again, left side, nobody's interested. Right side, everybody's interested. Okay, so keep this one on your watch list for a long. All right, and that is the end of the video. Again, do not forget to destroy the like button for the YouTube algorithm. As always, it helps the channel grow faster and allows more people to get this knowledge as well. Also, if you are new to the channel, definitely click on subscribe and click on the notification bell along with all notifications. That way you don't miss out on these pre-market analysis videos, which are released from Monday to Friday at exactly 8:15 a.m. Central Time, 15 minutes before the market opens, and the post-market analysis videos, which are released every single day in the afternoon. If you're not following us on social media, you can find me at Paul Nguma and at PATTERNOLOGY LAB on Instagram and on Twitter. And lastly, if all of this is new to you, if you are interested in getting started in the market, I left some step-by-step directions in the description of the video below. Step 1 through step 3. It only takes about 15 minutes or less for you to have all the tools you need to start trading immediately. You can also get 2 free stocks after signing up with Weibo using my very first link in the description below. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Paul Nguma with PATTERNOLOGY LAB, where we trade patterns and patterns only. And I will see all of you in the next video. Be very careful out there. Again, for all of you who are holding airlines, take some money off the table, pay yourself. I don't think they're done yet. I think they'll be going up more. MMM looks great. Keep that on your watch list and enjoy the outro.